Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. All right, so let's make a video on the braking system on a 2013 Highlander. No, this is 2011 actually. 2011, 2010, 2009, 2008, those model years, the brake system, you guys have issues. Or if you guys are in some kind of situation where for whatever reason you guys were leaking brake fluid. I actually had a couple of situations where I had to change out time belt on an 08. Each and every time, I must have worked in that car at least 3 or 4 times. Getting that timing belt right. I don't do timing belt much to make that worth it for me. Some people specialize in it. I don't specialize in it, so I don't do timing belts. But the 08 has a timing belt. This is 2011. It has a timing chain. Regardless, the brake system is essentially part of the hybrid system. Is electrically or computerized. All right. Now, a lot of people have said that if you ever need to fill up the reservoir or bleed it, a lot of people have said that you would need a computer to do it. It would need to be programmed, stuff like that. Funny enough, I've done at least 4 or 5. It's been 4 or 5 times on the previous vehicle that I had, 08 Highlander Hybrid, where I've had to disconnect the reservoir, essentially have everything leak out, and then refill the reservoir after I was finished, and all that stuff. This was a while back when I actually was a little bit more adventurous than I am now, because I'm a little bit older and a little bit lazier now than I was back then. But I used to do all that and I would have so much fun doing it. I don't have as much fun doing it now. And timing belts are not my thing, as I said. But let me just get to the point. If you guys fill this up after having all the brake fluid bleed out, if you guys fill this up, right? If you guys fill this up, have the brake fluid fill it up again, it's gonna make a ton of noises for maybe a couple of miles, and then it's just going to bleed itself. I never had any issues as far as brakes are concerned with situations like that. It just bled itself afterwards. That's the truth. If you guys want to take it to the dealership and have them bleed it, but it bleeds itself. Except, this vehicle bleeds. I had a Prius. I don't know if that Prius bled itself. It might have, but the Prius had an issue with the forget what this is called, but the booster pack. Anyway, leave a comment, guys. Take care.